Hello, this is Ruthie. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. You rock. Today I'm going to be doing a Home Depot succulent and plant haul. Got some really great things, so you're really going to enjoy it. Also, I'm going to ask that if you can please check out Nellie from Collection of Unseen Nature's channel. She was one of the winners of my 100 subscriber giveaway. She really rocks. She did an unboxing video which was really fun, so I'm going to put the link up above. If you can check out her channel, you're really not going to regret it. So let's get to the video. Let's go, guys. So I came here today just to buy some pots, but I saw too many nice things and I figured I'd film it. All the colors look really nice today, so I already have a couple of things in my cart. Oh, I have this plant I don't have, so this one is a I'm really not good with this one-handed recording, so I apologize. This is a Setivaria Lilac Mist, and I don't have this one. I really like the shape, so I'm treating myself for my birthday. And then the Firestorms, I have that at home, but they look so nice I had to get a couple more. And then this one I have not seen before, so I'm getting this. How pretty the color is. And I'll probably pull it apart and won't leave it all in one. Red pagoda. It's some kind of crassula. And then I'm getting two of these. That's the Graptopedilum Pendandrum. I have two of those in my cart. And then I have a Neon Breakers. I just finished pulling a bunch of weeds off of it. But I can never say no to this. Look at all those weeds I just pulled off of it. And I'm thinking of getting one of these little... Well, they're not little, they're huge. One of these Echeveria Galaxy Blue, because I've not seen them this big at a Home Depot, and that's really cool. So I was trying to decide which one to get, and I'm thinking that this was the one that I want. So that's going home with me. Nobody can stop me. And I was looking. I love these guys. I have some of these golden sedums, and they propagate so easily and well. I hate when I see all these weeds in here. It drives me nuts. My goodness. Why? Why? I complained to my husband I was so tired, and look where I'm at. It's a dwarf ghost plant. I don't think I have too many of those. And I love these guys. I have these at home. And they've been pretty heat tolerant for me. I think it's the Pachyvaria. Yeah. They color up really nice. I wonder if I should get more. I don't know. I don't have too many of these, if any. This One-handed stuff is pros. Why do they look so little? They look burnt though. Sorry if I swung that around too fast. Some more Firestorm. Fred Ives. My Fred Ives are doing well, so I don't think I need any more right now. California Sunsets. I love these paddle plants. I have a couple of them. Devil's Backbone. What? It is cooling off finally, and the weather's beautiful. Kalanchoe. I don't know, it doesn't say, but I know it's a Kalanchoe or Kalanchoe. I don't know which one's the proper way to say it. Pecoraria Moon Silver. I don't think I have too many of those. African Milk Tree. Smells like manure here right now. I paused it to come around. It's pretty cute. And I don't have too many of these fire sticks, I think they call them. It's nice size ones. It's kind of, this is $13. I was wondering if I should get it because these are nice sized. I don't know if they're Lola's. This is Stella Blanc. You know what? Let's put it in my cart. Do I need all of these? No. Do I want them? Yes. Some nice aloes. Cartwheel Puntia. You know, I bought this plant the other day, a huge one, and it flowers a really beautiful pink flower. Variegated red apple. It's really nice. I don't know if I showed you guys. It's a hanging, I have it in a hanging basket. I'll have to make a point to show you guys later. Pearl Von Numberg. Is that the one I got? No, I didn't get any of those today. But these look kind of busted, so I don't think I will. These golden sedums also. Oh Lord, I just dropped Golden Glow Stone Prop. I have these. I love those. I think the Neon Breaker I have is the nicest out of these here. It's just like a bunch of, it's like a weed party here. This is crazy. I hate this. Oh, so annoying. It's like I have enough weeds in my own home to bother me. But to see them here, it's so annoying. Look at this. That is not okay. I just love to see all the colors. Makes me so happy. Wow, look at these guys. Look at this shape. tag is upside down. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is, but the shape's kind of weird. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give it a like, comment, and subscribe. The part 2 of the video will be coming out shortly, so watch out for that. Till next time, bye!